Hello everyone, I am Rajeshwari from SNS College of Technology in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. So here I am going to explain what is supervised learning. Under supervised learning we have the overfitting and underfitting. So in this lecture video we are going to see about the supervised learning and its algorithm. So before that, the supervised learning is a which is labeled data. You can train a model using the data that already has in the database, which is with right answers. For examples, for this supervised learning, we have the classification and regression algorithms. Under the classifications, it will predict the discrete categories which is classify the datas. For example, it will classify whether the input which is spam or not, and this or yes or no, true or false type. So under regressions we have the continuous numbers, which is continuous means we have to for example, we have to predict the house price predictions and students marks, that and all comes under regressions. So under supervised learning we have the classification and regression methods. So the datas are in the labeled structure, which has which is mainly used to predict the prices and marks and customer views, that and all we have pretty easily predict in the labeled data, which is fetched from the databases. Now we are going to see about overfitting and underfitting. So here first we have to recall recall the supervised learning, which is we have seen in last class itself that it will learn patterns from the training data, and it is used for it is model performance is measured by using the cost and loss functions, and gradient descent is used to minimize the training error, and models are trained to generalize well on unseen data, and model complexity affects the prediction accuracy. So this is the basic thing of supervised learning, and the learning objectives is, so in supervised learning we have the some goals. That is the definition of this is understand the concept of overfitting and underfitting in machine learning, and differentiate is for distinguish between the high bias and high variance model, which is high bias means we have the overfitting, and high variance means underfitting, so which is mainly used for analyzing how model complexity affects generalization performance. So the apply concept is to identify the techniques to prevent overfitting and underfitting. So this is the learning objectives. So here the introduction to model fitting is, it is for it is mainly refers to how well a model captures data patterns, and a good model balances bias and variance. So poor fitting leads to underfitting or overfitting. So the main goal is to achieve optimal generalizations. So here the underfitted graph is represent in the below. So it is an underfitted representation of data, and normally overfitted and good fit data are represented in this slide as a variation of underfitted, overfitted and good fit of data in the model during the model training. And so next thing is, what is underfitting? So in this underfitting, it is mainly comes under supervised learning. So before that, we have seen in model fitting, right? So next class we are going to see we are going to see about what is underfitting. Thank you.